Hey everybody! Let's not see what the word recording is. Okay, hey everybody, it's Christy here with Make Everyday Colorful and my kids. Birthday party. Yeah, they're going to a birthday party today. They just thought I might do that. Anyways, we are about to make a ginger wrap for coughing because both of my little girls have a little bit of a cough. And so I did this a couple days ago. The silly oldest one right here, and she wants to do it again, even though she cried when I put it on the other day. We'll see how it goes today. So basically, all you have to do is you need just 4 ingredients. You need 2 tablespoons of flour, which I already have in here. 2 tablespoons of flour and 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of ginger ground up. I actually have like ginger that we grew that I ground up. So that's what I'm using. But let me give my littlest one something to snack on while we try to do this. He's just not having it. Alright, here, baby. Here, buddy. Okay. So like I said, I already have my 2 tablespoons of flour in here. So now I have to put 2 tablespoons. So now I just gotta put my 2 tablespoons of honey.
2 tablespoons of honey? Okay.
Yeah.
2 tablespoons of honey.
So I'm getting the first one out. See my little assistants here.
I want to tie some. I want to tie some honey.
Okay, maybe when I'm done getting it all out, okay?
Oh, that's what you do then.
I gotta get 1 more tablespoon, and I got some raw honey that I'm using for ours. So anyway, so once you get the honey and the flour in together, you mix those really well first to make kind of a paste, and then you're gonna add the other ingredients. Okay? So. Alright, so I got those 2 together, and as you can see, I'm mixing and mixing. It's going to do better once you have all the other stuff, I feel like, but I mean, it still mixes pretty well together, just the flour and the honey. So, just keep mixing until you get a nice little paste. I'm going to come show you closer up on the camera. See, so just mixing, and then it's starting to form like a gooey paste almost, okay? Alright, so now I'm going to add my other ingredients.
I want to tie the honey.
Okay, wait, so we're done with the video, baby. Okay. That's fine. So now we are going to put a tablespoon of ginger. In there. I'm mixing that up. And then I'm going to add a tablespoon of olive oil. Alright. And that's it. You just mix all this up.
What will make it up?
Let me get a good bell. So I'm just mixing at this point. Let me show you. See? Just mixing. So as you can tell, I mean, it's just a paste. That's all it is. Leave him alone, please.
That's you, Mama.
Trying to keep him as quiet as possible for the video. Okay. Alright, so we've mixed, and I literally just have this paste, okay? I'm not going to say, I don't want to say an exact amount I would put on. So the other day, the tutorial I read, it didn't tell me how much to put on there, and I like to put this whole big goopy mess on my daughter. And I mean, it was pouring all over her. It like leaked out of the little bandage thing I made, and it poured like all over her clothes and everything. So I'm just going to put a little bit this time. And it says in the instructions for adults, you can leave it like overnight. But for kids, you're only supposed to leave it 3 hours. So that's what I'm going to do. So in the end, see this little paste. Okay, so now.
Just the little paste.
Yeah. So now I have some gauze. You want to open it?
Give it a little gauze. Put a gauze. And open it with your gauze.
And then get some tape. Okay, I need the gauze, baby. Gotta get it out. So I'm going to use a gauze and a napkin. Okay, let me see it, Elizabeth, because I think we're done now. I got to just put it on here. So let me get a napkin. I'm just trying to prevent it from leaking everywhere like it did the other day, because that was a mess. Okay. So I just got a napkin, and I'm just folding it in half and in half again. So what I'm going to do is I'm opening up my gauze. Open up my gauze. I'm just going to get a little bit of this. I would say this is probably close to a tablespoon amount. I'm going to just put it on there. And I'm just going to apply it to her chest. Okay, you ready for me to put it on your chest?
No.
The other day you wanted it on, you told me you wanted it on your chest again today. To help you. Well, we're going to try not to cry, okay? You're the one that told me you wanted this. That's why we're doing it. Elizabeth, do you want to put it on you? Am I going to have to put it on your brother? Just to show people? You don't want to be the example for my video? Okay, well, who wants to go first? Your brother? Guess I'll have to sacrifice the baby since my oldest told me she wanted to do it and now she doesn't want to do it. So, to show you how it works on him right now, I'm just got the gauze laid down flat on the counter. I put like a tablespoon of the mixture, and I am just putting tape. I'm gonna show you how it looks right now. It looks kind of gross, but this is it. Okay, we'll just put it on the gauze, put it on there, and I got tape going all around. So I'm just gonna put it on their chest. And the reason I got this napkin is I'm probably gonna put the napkin on top of it just to make sure none of it oozes out of the gauze, and tape that too. So you sure you don't want to be my example? Yeah. All right, Jeremiah, it gets to be you. Okay, I gotta move you over, Isabella, so the camera can see your little brother getting his You want to do it? Let me do the baby first. Okay. Okay, let me get a tissue here. Excuse my messy house. It's breakfast here, and no, you don't want to look that way. That's straight ginger. All right, so here's my example. All right, sit up here, buddy. All right. Okay. So just put it straight on the chest like this. Okay, and just tape it down.
For him?
He's probably not going to like this. Good thing he has a zipper thing on. So now I'm going to put the napkin, because like I said, I was afraid of it kind of oozing, and I'm going to get some more. You probably should have medical tape to do this. Just to hold it onto the skin. Yeah, he's starting to fuss, so let me just hurry. Show you. So you basically get the general idea here. So just tape it on there. And then you let it sit. So for little kids, it says no, I don't know why it's only 3 hours. To me, it's natural ingredients, but I guess maybe it's, you know, I don't know all the chemistry behind it. So I'm not going to say to keep it on longer, to saying not to. So for us, it's 8 o'clock right now. So around 11, I can take it off. And if he doesn't really have a cough, so I'll probably take it off a little sooner off of him. But that's about it. I'll zip you back up, buddy. So y'all see how I did. Let's go show the camera how it looks. And this is how mine looks. I've seen some that look better than this, but just so you get the point. Let's see here. There's a wrap. Alright. So basically that's the end of my video. We just put the wrap on and we're going to zip them back up and just let it sit a couple hours, and it's supposed to break up the mucus in the lungs and help you with coughing. So just subscribe to my channel if y'all want to watch more videos with me and my little rascal.